USD is likely going to sell today from this point, so we should keep waiting. On GBP JPY, we're waiting for it to come to this point, then we look for sell from 15 minutes. On the Euro USD, but on the Euro USD, if you check the daily time frame, it seems is coming up to test this continuous selling. So if you check the 4 hours, then you can simply look for a buy to push it up to that point, which it already missed this buy and kept going up. So let's just wait and see what happens. On the GBP USD, what's happening with GBP USD? If you check the daily time frame, it has been kind of selling but failed to respect this other block. So a buy will happen a bit and push it down afterwards. So we should be looking for change of character on 1 hour to the downside. If you check AUD JPY, what's happening on AUD JPY? On AUD JPY, you can see clearly on the daily time frame, it has been buying. If you check 4 hours, more buys happening on 4 hours. So if you check 1 hour, there's no break of structure yet to look for a buy. You check the NZD JPY. On the NZD JPY, market has been kind of buying as well, but failed to respect this zone, this other block here. Let's see if we're going to, so a sell is going to happen from this point because it's FVG sell might happen from this point. Look for entry on 15 minutes and push it downward. So let's just be patient and see. On GBP, respected this other block here, and a buy is already happening. If you check the 4 hours, this buy has been, seems to be ranging at this point. So if it comes down to respect this other block, then we're going to push up for more buys happening. So if you check the CAD JPY, we got knocked out at BE on this trade, and you can see it should have even take our SL before coming down because of our broker. So let's just leave this for now. There's nothing on that for now. On GBP CHF, if you are active, you can just enter for this now. We are waiting for this area. Let's see if we can take this today. So I'm going to place this now in the group, and anybody that's active is going to take the trade. So it's going to take the trade on GBP CHF, on AUD USD, and AUD USD for hours in the 1 hour time frame. Seems on the daily time frame it has been buying the whole time. So let's be careful and the trade we look for. There's no break of structure happening yet, except this break of structure that happened here and this other block that will make a sell to happen. But let's be careful, just leave this to slide and wait for a buy since it's on uptrend. On the AUD card, if you see the AUD card, it has been on a buy. You come to 4 hours, what's happening on 4 hours? It's supposed to be this break of structure here and fill it up to this point. Market just keep buying. It has been buying on the AUD card. On the USD JPY, what are we seeing on the USD JPY? On the daily time frame, market has been buying as well. On the 4 hours, same thing happening. On the 1 hour, there is no clear entry on this for 1 hour as well. Just keep waiting. On USD card, AUD JPY, USD card, sorry, 4 hours. Since market wants to buy to this point before it starts selling, the break of structure happening here already, so we should look out for this as well. If we see clear entry for sell on 4 hours or 1 hour, there's no entry for sell yet, so we just keep waiting. On CHF JPY, market has been selling, but it took us out at that point, so it seems it changes to buy now. So let's watch out and see what happens for the buy, because this is strong liquidity at that bottom here. The market should come take out. On Euro card, let's see what's happening on Euro card. On the daily time frame, on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour, there is no clear entry yet on this trade. So it seems market has been buying, but if you check the 4 hours, you'll see more buys are likely to happen as well on 1 hour. So if you check the card CHF, if you check the daily time frame, it seems market has been buying as well, but it's come to respect this very soon. So you should look for sell on 1 hour as well. If there's any entry of sell, there should be an entry from this point on market. Let's see if market comes to this point later today. We should look for a sell from here. On Euro CHF, remember we have been holding this trade since yesterday, so let's just keep holding. Let's keep holding and see how it goes. On AUD CHF, we check the daily time frame, check the 4 hours. Since market has been buying the whole time, so no entry for now. On GBP AUD, check daily time frame, market has been selling but likely going to buy up to this point. So if you check the 4 hours, there's no reversal happening on 4 hours, no reversal on 1 hour as well. So let's just keep waiting and see what happens. On the GBP card, if you check the daily time frame, market wants to buy to this point before it will start selling. So if you check the 4 hours, it means market to buy to that point. But let's see on 1 hour if there's any entry that will push it up to that point on 1 hour or 15 minutes. There's no break of such happening on 15 minutes either. So we just next to the NZD USD. On NZD USD daily time frame, market has likely been buying before it continues to sell. So let's just see on the 4 hours if there's any buy. There should be another block at this point. Market should come respect this. Then it starts selling. So if you check the 15 minutes, is there any entry pushing it up there? There's no entry for now on 15 minutes, whether is it on 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you check the NZD card, on NZD card daily time frame, this market has been ranging at this point. If you check the 4 hours, buy is supposed to happen, but there's no clear structure yet. On Euro JPY, you can see on the daily time frame, since market has been, sorry, let me admit this person. Since market has been kind of ranging at this point, we're supposed to buy to this point before the sell continues, which is it here. So if you check the 4 hours, we have an entry at this point we'll check for. Let's see if market can come down to that point and we look for it. But if your sell should happen from here, it should be a good push for us. But there's no sell happening now. On the AUD NZD, daily time frame, keep pushing on the 4 hours. Might sell to this point before it continues on 4 hours. So let's watch out and see what happens. Check the 1 hour. Is it coming down ahead? Let's go to 15 minutes to look for entry. This is not a clear break of structure. Let's wait for this candle to complete and can call this a break of structure to push it down. On the NZD card daily time frame, you see market just respected this and it's already pushing up. So if you come to 1 hour and see there's no break of structure happening yet, so we'll just keep waiting and see. On the GBP NZD market just respected this other block, so we should look for sales happening on 1 hour, which this sell remains down that they remember. So there's no other sell to enter yet. We just keep waiting. On Euro NZD, this trade took us out and started moving to the down to our direction. It happens most times. So this is the initial FVG we are looking out for, and this is the other block. So we're going to look for entry on 15 minutes from here. So if you check 15 minutes again, is there any entry pushing it downward? There's no entry pushing it down except for this that happened yesterday. We are not active to take this, and this as well. We are not active to take it as well. We already took this one. So just keep waiting. On Euro AUD, the daily time frame, market seems to buy to this point, then it starts selling. Well, let's see what's happening on the 4 hours. On the 1 hour as well, it seems it's going to happen. Expect this and keep pushing up. Let's wait and see. On the USD CHF daily time frame, market has been supposed to buy to this point, then it starts selling, or it starts selling from here either. Let's see if there's any change of character on 1 hour for that. There's no change of character happening except for this. The market did not come to respect this other block. So let's just keep waiting. That will be all for today. And let's keep monitoring the chart and I'll keep you guys posted on what is happening in the market.